How to contact Booking.com customer care. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can contact Booking.com customer care. So without any further ado, let's get started. The first step is to open up any of your preferred browser, then go to Booking.com website. And make sure that you're already signed in to Booking.com account. Once you are signed in, tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner. You will see different sections over here. Under Health and Support, you can find the option of Contact Customer Service. Tap on that. Now at the very top, you can see Welcome to Help Center. We are available 24 hours a day. Get help with a booking. Tap on that option. With that, you will land to this kind of interface. From here, you have to select a category for which you are having the issue. Here, I'm going to select Stays. After you select it, scroll all the way down. You will see the option of Message Customer Service. Click on this option. Here in this box, you can describe about your issue. After you explain about your problem, you can tap on Send to send it. Likewise, you're also able to make a direct phone call. For that, head back. And at the very bottom of the screen, you can find the option of More Contact Options. Simply tap on that. Now open this option, Call Customer Service. So now here is the phone number. And with this phone number, you can directly contact to the team. Thank you for watching this video, and if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, comment and share this video. Until then, see you next time.